Good morning, this is Deana Jones with Focus One Insurance Group, the Juniper Division. Today is Friday the 13th, and today crazy things are supposed to happen, and I thought it was a perfect time to talk to employers about employment practices liability insurance. If you have employees, you need to have an EPLI policy. The big four reasons for EPLI claims are sexual harassment, discrimination, wrongful termination, and retaliation. The average EPLI claim costs $250,000. You may face a possible claim from the minute you post an ad for employment until after that employee is terminated. A potential employee might say that you discriminated in the hiring process based on gender or because of a disability, and there are several protected classes that you cannot discriminate against. Maybe an employee felt that you failed to promote them based on some unfairness. If you don't go through the proper steps prior to termination, you're leaving yourself wide open for a claim. And these are situations where the EPLI policy would come into play. Not all EPLI policies are created equal. You want to look at who is an insured. Do you have volunteers, leased employees, interns, partners, independent contractors? Make sure they're all covered. Remember that if something should be covered in one policy, it will not be covered in another. So don't assume this is going to be covered in your general liability policy because it won't. Some companies are offering an endorsement on your general liability policy that allows for a small amount of EPLI coverage. There are other companies that are offering broader policies and higher limits as standalone policies. As with all of your policies, you want to look at the exclusions. And think of the limit that you purchase as your attorney retainer. Is $100,000 going to be enough to cover that claim? Besides having your EPLI insurance, please make sure that you hire a very knowledgeable HR manager that can help you navigate the hiring and firing process. As always, please don't hesitate to call our office if you need help with your current policies or are interested in finding new policies. We're always looking for ways to protect your assets and keep you covered. Thanks for listening. Deana Jones with Focus One Insurance Group, 541-226-3590. Have a great Friday the 13th.